So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arswal, Legal Advisor at Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss with you, a new, basically outgoing judge of Supreme Court of India recently, who is retired from Supreme Court of India, Justice K.M. Joseph. Outgoing speech, what he said that regarding related to judiciary, which is very important and which is very interesting, which might be very interesting for you to understand. So let's start the discussion without any further delay. So we all know that Justice K.M. Joseph, Honorable Judge of Honorable Supreme Court of India, has recently took retirement from his position. So what he said in his farewell party, he said that independence of Supreme Court important, not difficult for a democracy with constitution to slip into chaos. The outgoing Supreme Court judge, Justice K.M. Joseph, speaking at the farewell function organized by the Supreme Court Bar Association, said that the judges of the Supreme Court of India, are the most overworked judges in the world. It is a tremendous, job, and without the assistance of the bar, and judges will not be able to do what they are doing. So, what is your opinion regarding this? This is a very, it seems very interesting speech given by Honorable former Judge of Supreme Court of India, Justice K.M. Joseph. What is your opinion? What do you think about his statement? Let me know in the comment section. For more updates, stay tuned on the same channel, Dialyzy. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.